To re-grip your golf club, you got to take off the old one. You can see this is peeling. It's coming off pretty easy. I can just rip this. That's how bad this one is. You just take a razor blade and cut off the old one, or just get it off, get the old one off without scratching the shaft itself. They make razor blades that have a hook on it, that hook so you don't scratch the shaft, but if you're careful you can just cut down the old grip and pull it off. Once you get the grip off, there will be the double-sided tape that you gotta scrape off, so that's what I'm doing here. Just be careful not to scrape the shaft. Some people leave that on and put the new tape over it, and then it gives you a little more, it makes your grip a little wider if you like that, but I'm scraping the old stuff off just to get it off and have a fresh clean. And you can use like rubbing alcohol or that spray stuff to clean up the glue off of here after. So once you got it all cleaned off as good as you want it, you can use rubbing alcohol. You're gonna put your grip tape, make sure it's shorter than your grip, and then yeah, I'm gonna get it all the way to the edge, maybe leave like a centimeter or two, and then peel this off and stick it. So, pretty easy.
One evening,
let's go, Walter.
The sun went down.
After you.
The jungle fire was burning. Down the back came a
Get it flat on there, and then make sure you keep it. You don't want any no air bubbles. Make sure it goes on straight. Go along the top. Make sure that's sticking and you're flush.
The Chevy Silverado.
Get it.
Multi-flex tailgate.
It's kind of like just rolling, you know, rolling it up. Be a big one. Alright. Kind of overlap it, get that over the top. Make sure it's sticking down.
We'll see you in the fridge.
Roll it on.
Pizza Hut's Detroit style pizza is back. Same crispy crust, cheese all the way to the
Make sure you like flip it over.
still on top.
See, I feel I didn't do it perfect, so whatever. Yeah, see, I had a little, I didn't push it down and then the glue kind of stuck before. But you should be good. Just alright. So yeah, the thing is, yeah, you gotta have these grips. They're cheap, and then you gotta have your grip you're putting on, and then like this activator stuff that you spray on the grip to get it to stick to that. So you're gonna spray it, and then get this up over the edge, and then just kind of shove it on. So see here, this activates, and then you can spray it down in there too to get it. And yeah, it says 10 sprays. Just get it all wet. Looks pretty wet. I got it in there. And then yeah, if you want to maybe start it, make sure you don't, yeah, start it with the tape so you're over it, so you don't pull up that tape you just put on. Yeah, get it started, and then just, I got this grip thing here, and then just boom, slide it, slide it, slide it. Shit, I came out of the thing. I had it in.
How was that even possible?
Get it down.
Opening night, so the commissioner is here. There is
Pretty much got her. Yeah, you just don't want, yeah, you want to make sure it's all the way down. You can kind of twist it with the way you put on the tape.
Great to have everyone back. I even missed the traffic jams.
And then make sure it's not too twisted. Like if there were lines on the grip, you'd want them all going up and down perpendicular.
The end zone.
look back at Sean Murphy bunting, a very key part of this secondary.
All right.
That right arm, he's going to take a big swing
Take a look.
in there, and it just got trapped. When Winfield came over, it got trapped between the two of them.
You can still.
Now, the one position that
Yeah, you
I
don't
did
want
not
the
think
grip
they were
all
very
twisted
deep
and-
at was the cornerback position. And he
New
is
grip. This grip's super nice.
their playoff run. Interception,
That's easy as that.